I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. I remember you.
3, 2, 1. It's been a long time since I had to do that. I couldn't find my GoPro adapter for my microphone, so you don't believe what the fuck I'm using. I'm using a lost my train of thought. I do that a lot. I'm using an Xbox One microphone, and I plugged it into my phone, and I'm using it to record my audio, which is kind of funny. I ordered a new adapter, so that's on the way, but this is great. I have a mic hanging off my neck right now. This is fucking stupid. Yes! It works! It works! So hi everybody! Hi YouTube! Hi people! Hi! How you doing? It's been a long time, right? Yeah, it has. It's been really fucking long. My channel is just recently just blown up because I guess one of my videos decided to attract a lot of attention, which was that angry cashier. And I would have never thought, because I posted that almost 3 years ago. So I'm surprised it's now catching up and everyone's enjoying it, because I guess compilations and funny things are now the thing of the future. I got some recognition. A whole bunch of people want to use it for their videos and stuff, which by all means go ahead. You don't have to ask in the comments. This is permission right here. If you're watching this, if you haven't seen this yet, then well, go ahead and ask. Now I was looking at God, my subscriber count went up tremendously, and I was like, uh-oh, I gotta start pumping out some videos, which I have no problem doing. Because when I first started doing this stuff, I wasn't really getting much attention. I was just I kind of did this for fun. I don't do it for the money. I just do it because it's fun. It's the hobby. We all like to ride, and I like to bitch at stuff and talk to myself. So I have a huge problem with talking. I cannot I can't keep my mindset. If I'm multitasking, which I'm doing a lot because 90% of my brain is currently focused on the road and idiots on the road and making sure I don't get hit and stuff, and then the other 10% is me trying to think about what the fuck I'm talking about, and usually half the time I get sidetracked, fucking squirrel, and I forget what I'm saying. Anyways, a lot of things have definitely changed. I got yet another new job. I don't work at this machinery place, Torch Tip, anymore. I now work at this place called Anco Products, which is fucking awesome because they pay a lot of money, and I get my own office, which is really awesome because kind of people just leave me the fuck alone, which is great. My God, that sun is bright. Transitions can kick in any second. I'm still together with my beloved, beautiful girlfriend since over a year now. Couldn't be happier. We're moving out, like I said. I think we're gonna be going somewhere you've all probably seen before. It's in a good neighborhood. We won't get shot. I'm sure y'all gonna remember what this place looks like. We're moving back here. I'm gonna live somewhere else in this apartment complex. Really don't want to tell y'all where I'm gonna be exactly, but I want to be back in this complex again. It wasn't too bad when we were first living here, so I don't think it's gonna be any different. My new job gives me more time to actually do shit too, like make videos and edit stuff, and give me time and more time, because time is very important. Did I say time? I want to say time one more time. Time! Yeah, so I'm fucking excited. I really am. Nothing really exciting has happened. I mean, other than moving and new job, I'm still riding this fucking thing. I still got the 300, it's still kicking. I think my next vehicle might be a car. Oh yeah, right, it's going to be a faster bike. I am definitely going to be getting me a faster bike. I'm eating the microphone right now. Literally eating it. It's in my fucking mouth. I cannot move it to save my life. I work 4 days a week now, 10-hour shifts, so it's a crappy ass 6:30 in the morning all the way till 5 in the afternoon. But it's not that bad. I kind of like it. That way I get my Fridays, my Saturdays, my Sunday, the whole weekend. So I got time to do stuff now. Ryan, that son of a bitch, he moved away. He went to Tennessee. He's no longer with us. It's just, me and myself and I and some other people that I know that I really don't ride with. We went to go visit him. That was awesome. that was definitely a change of scenery. I needed that. I didn't want to come back to Florida. We all know how much I hate Florida. Again, I want to say thank you to everybody that actually, like, all of a sudden started watching my videos, and I'm, like, getting recognized. I'm like, okay, I'm assuming people are going to want to start seeing some more shit, so, I mean, I got some new adapters, some new microphones, and some new good shit, so hopefully, it'll sound a lot better. Hopefully this thing sounds good, you know, just for now. Just kind of get a video out here and tell you guys that, hey, I'm, you know, still alive. I didn't die or anything. I'm definitely going to be putting some effort into this now. You know, you watched my video, that helps me. I'm really not opinionated by anybody. I really don't care. You can say, you know, you're a pussy fart. Yeah, you drive 300. You shut the fuck up. And, you know, I'm swearing too much. Yeah, I swear too much. But you know what? Who gives a fuck? Well, the children are watching, you know, you don't want them to see all that and want to listen to you cussing all every 5 seconds. Well, you know what? Well, maybe you should take your fucking kids' video games away that are rated M for mature. You know, half the fucking community is 5-year-olds and squeakers and shit, and every time I go and play video games, I'm not gonna lie, today Florida, so it's the... There I go again without not Ryan, if you're watching this, you're probably fucking losing your mind right now because I always make fun of you and how you lose track of everything you say. What I was trying to say is Florida decided to be pretty today, and yeah, sun's out, there's not a cloud in the sky, it's a perfect day for riding. I might die, who knows, anything can happen. I bought the DJI Mavic, and that drone is freaking awesome. My God, I love that thing. That was a $1,200 drone. I was surprised I could even get that. See, the reason half the reason I got that drone, it's a funny story. We all know Ryan. He's like my gay lover, who's not here, and I miss him. Hi, how you doing? And we always like to compete. He had a Phantom, which was like the coolest drone back in the day. It was like a 2 or 3, I can't remember. Quote me if I'm wrong, Ryan, I'm sorry. And that was awesome. I had these little piece of shit drones, and then he got me like a decent one from Traxxas or whatever it was, and it was a fucking awesome drone. And I never could really compete to the ones that he had, and he got all these fancy things. I'm like, you know what? Black Friday came around the corner. It's like, you know what? I'm going to get me a fucking drone. So I applied for a credit card, a $2,000 credit card to Best Buy. And I'm like, oh yeah, I'm getting this drone. He turns around and looks at me all pissed off and shit, because he knows he had to save money because he was moving. Well, we're in Best Buy, and I'm at the line. Well, not the line, but at the drones. I go, yeah, I want to get me a DJI. I want to get me the Mavic. So the guy's like, all right, I'll be right back. I decided to rub it in his face, because I had something better than him, and I felt superior. That was great. And I was like, yeah, all right, I got something better over you. I'm flicking them off and shit in the middle, and I actually pulled my pants down in the middle of the store and showing my ass, and I'm smacking it, and I'm like, I got something better than you, motherfucker. Guy comes back with my drone. That son of a bitch goes, yeah, I'll take one too. You motherfucker. just like that, in a matter of 5 minutes of, you know, owning something better than him, he just crushes me. So it is what it is. But I gotta say, that drone is awesome. I have a different channel somewhere in YouTube. It's called FSX. It's kind of cool. I got a bunch of other stupid shit in there, more like aviation stuff, but it's pretty neat. Definitely check it out. Ain't taking too long. It's got some of the footage on there from the drone. I mean, it's fucking awesome. I can vouch for it. If anybody wants to get it, please do. It's cool as fuck. Yeah, I might use it in like some of my videos and see how it works. Yeah, so far everything's doing good though. I'm happy. Everything's going well. We're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna look at it. We're just gonna look at it. Don't dig into the sand too hard. Yeah, it's nice. Oh yeah. One good thing about Florida, I'm bored. Hi. Hi. Oh yeah. The last one's in that car. I am so sorry if this audio comes out like crap. If it's too shitty, I won't even bother with this video. I'm like eating a microphone, so probably take the way back. I got one person that waved back. Oh, he waved at me. That's awesome. I like his shirt. It's green. Pretty. Yeah, this thing needs an oil change. Bad. Oil change, new spark plugs. Yeah. I haven't done shit to this thing. I'm not neglecting it, I just procrastinate. Hey, I got 423.18 too. No. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little I'm coming back video with all my back and forth and dyslexia and IDD and QDD and all the other DDs that I possess. Alright, till next time.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see